So based on a YouTube article that I saw earlier this month, I saw that you can make a fridge slide into a slide out for your Weber. Now at the moment I've got my toolbox on there because we're using the Weber to cook in the house, but let me show you what I did. Standard ARB fridge slide, slides out so we can utilise the Weber. Take the toolbox down. Now we can see I managed to get second hand on Gumtree one of the fridge slides with a battery recess. So also to clear the edge of the tunnel boot, I went to our friends in Bunnings and I got a couple of Jarrah Strips that are exactly 900mm long, which fit perfectly underneath the fridge slide. So slide back in and we can see here that the fridge slide perfectly lines up with the edge of the tunnel boot. So thank you very much to Dave and his YouTube info channel. So we are now replicating your good efforts. Thank you very much.